how to be. But you did ask, do you want to be healthy? Or do you not? If you do want to be healthy, then you need to watch this video. If not, don't go away! So here's how to be healthy. Here's how to be healthy. Here's how to be healthy. So healthy. So first off, your fruits that's in them. This fruit is a pear. It fixes despair. Yeah. It's so healthy. It pears. So healthy. Come on, take back here. Hey yo! You can have my skin! No, it isn't. So this is a bear, it's super healthy, it stops despair, super wealthy, it'll make you wealthy, super healthy, fixes despair, it's a pear! Makes the party M&M's. So anyways, next time. I forgot the name of this thing. It's the thing, it's green! It's called the green way! The green way! Go the green way! It helps you on the tongue and it is a treat. It makes you say we, and it falls out easily. But if you wait on then you'll have a hard time. There's no more bananas that come from South America. They're such amazing kinds of fruits. Don't forget to eat your greens like the spinach. These are the kinds of greens you want to eat. Don't eat the green M&Ms. So that's how to be healthy. So healthy. How to be healthy. Hey, tomatoes come. Healthy. How to be healthy. Oh, healthy. How to be healthy. Oh, healthy. Here's how to be healthy. Oh, healthy. Different things to eat. So how do you know if the food's healthy? Well, if it's sweet, looks like a chocolate treat, then it's probably not good for your teeth. It'll make you say wee at the beginning, but after a while, it'll be a week. You're gonna be crying from the pain, the toothaches. So let's look at the candy. It's healthy. Bad for you. Go. You have been cast. Sin. Fall. But go. So here's how to be healthy. So healthy. Here's how to be healthy. Oh wait. I gotta go get more food for the video. So I'm back. So here's how to be healthy. What was that? Oh my god, it's the yellow candy. Yeah, well, he's dead. Could we go get him? Hey, I didn't even get to sing about cashews. So great, guys. It's just nothing. Yeah, I'm stuck. I think I'm gonna get the bottle.